Hi, good day. This is Dave of Gigbees Music Studios. Today we're going to tackle about OBS Studio tutorial. This is an open source file. You can get it online. It's for free for Windows or Mac. So right now I have it here. I have a first scene. This is our first scene. Call it black, so you can rename them. Then you can put some text on this tab source by adding the plus, by just ticking the plus sign. You can either put anything you want there, audio, video, browse file. In this case I put the text free type. So just put some text. Then you can edit the font, the color. Then you can adjust the size and pretty much of the where you want to place it. So since I don't need that, so I'll just delete it. And then I have here the audio mixer, which is the source is from. You can just go to settings. Then by the way, I'm recording as well from Audacity. This is separate open source file as well, so to make the audio source much clearer, much stable. I want to rename this first scene as a welcome, or my welcome message. So with the this setup right here, you can just add some anything you want, pretty much of image or video or text. So even your window capture, even from your browser. So video captures, I got it from my webcam. It's just a webcam from the computer, so it's not really good quality. So you can check the properties. I'm getting from a USB mic Samsung. You can check either you want it from your built-in, from your Zoom, or whatever app you have there. Then you can, so you make sure that your mic is on the yellow level there. So you can adjust the scenes. You can go to the controls. You can go to the studio mode right now. This is giving you a preview of your scene prior to streaming them or broadcasting them. So you can also, then we can move to intro. If the computer is not lagging, it should start right away. Since my intro scene, my source file is coming from the computer. So this is an intro for Gigbees, an animated movie, a drummer. Then it's from a local file, so it's just I take it from my computer and just press OK. Then you can adjust the size of the video file to fit the screen, or you can just right click as well. There's an option in there to make it fit to the screen. Just right click on it. So put transition, and we go to the next scene. Transition. So the source from this is coming from a web browser. So this is a free element, streamelement.com. It's a free theme. You can get it from there, and you can also edit it. So this is start scene, and it's loading right now. You can also press the refresh button for you to load the file, the browser. It's very, I am using my own webcam right there, and you're in the, so this is the link. You just paste it from the web. Just paste it here, the URL, and you can adjust the size. For me, it's 1920 and 1080. Just press OK, and you have the option for the volume as well. So there's no volume for that, so I take I'm muting the button here. So preparing for the next slide, next scene. So that's intro for Gigbees and animation, and the media source is coming from my local file from my computer. Scene 3 is my podcast intro interview. These are just samples, so it's not really complicated. So that's it. That's a simple way to add some text, image, or a theme from the stream elements. You can add some videos. Thank you so much.